If you're new, welcome. I'm Kristen, and I'm about to show you what we're going to be cooking up next week. If you like manwich, I'm not hating on you. I just prefer to have it homemade. I've never been a manwich lover at all, but this way is so good. And mixing it with them fried taters, I'm just saying. I call this a sloppy jack because I top it with pepper jack cheese. Now, you can do an open face bun, use the top or the bottom bun, put your meat on it and top it with some cheese. And that's going to skip out on a few of them bread carbs. If you see an ingredient that you don't like, just don't add it. But I'm telling you, that chili sauce, must have. Spicy brown mustard, must have. Worcestershire, must have. On Tuesday, I went in with the meatball pasta. Now, I already had my meatballs frozen in the freezer from video 19. And I also had my fresh seasoning from last week. If you want to see how to make my fresh seasoning, all you have to do is follow the little link down below and it's going to pop right up for you and you can watch it for free. I don't get anything for it. It's just there for anyone who is interested. The meatballs were very easy to make. They just take a little bit of time. And if you want to see how I made mine, I'm going to have it linked down in the description. It's video 19. The fresh seasoning is not necessarily needed for this dish, but it is a good place to use it. You can also use whatever kind of pasta that you like. This is just what I already had on hand and was trying to get it used up. Wednesday, we went in with a ham salad, and just to be real, each salad has its own dressing that it needs. And this smoked ham with that Thousand Island dressing, you don't even got to have much. Some people like their swimming, but I just like a little taste. Now, having that with that ham, smoked ham, is so good. It is so good. Now, if you don't like smoked ham, you can switch out for whatever kind of meat you like. But I'm just saying you might have to figure out what kind of dressing you like, because I'm just saying certain things they just pair well together, and that's a pair. Thursday, we went in for a very easy dinner and let the crock pot do the cooking, and it was truly almost a dump and go, except for cutting up the onion. We had some canned French beans, and I mean, what do? You pop the can. It's not that hard. You ain't got to chop. You ain't got to do none of that. All you had to do was the onions. If you don't like onions, then I'm just saying it's dump and go, dump and go. I put mine over a bed of rice, and just to be real, it is better with mashed potatoes. But this night, I made it with rice, and that's what it was, but make it with mashed potatoes. I used cream of celery down in my dish, but you can use whichever one you like. Cream of mushroom, cream of chicken, whatever kind of cream of sauce that you like. But the cream of celery adds the flavor of celery without the celery. Friday, I went in with another easy dinner and had grilled tenders, butter beans, and a baked potato. Now, the grill did all the work. All I had to do was pop open my can of butter beans, put them on the stove, put a little onion in there and some flavor, and then, dinner was done. I did marinate my chicken in the Lowry's herb and garlic, but dinner was easy. Dinner don't always have to look like a 5-course meal, and it don't have to take all day in the kitchen. You can whip up something good in the kitchen, and your little taste buds are going to be thanking you. Don't leave them hanging. If you click the link down in the description, it'll carry you over to my Patreon. Now, Patreon is a paid monthly subscription service, but I am providing a service that some people need. So if you need it, then it is there for you, honey. Meal planning is a chore, but it don't have to be anymore. Here on my channel, I like to show you things that are yummy, and I also like to provide you with something that you may need. And I also like to show you things that are beautiful. And this is just my way of opening up what I see as beautiful so that you can see it too. Monday, I'll be posting the dinner demo video where you can see how I made all of these yummy, yummy dinners. I hope you come back and check it out. Have a good night, and I'll see you Monday.